Hey, my name is Shafin. I'm a computer science student in my third year at the University of Windsor. The reason I chose computer science over other programs is because growing up, I always liked being creative with numbers. In the future, I see myself working as a software developer. I really want to make people's lives easier by building efficient software. Specifically with UWindsor, what excited me the most is the opportunity to not only learn, but implement what I get to learn. I love the opportunities I had in internship and co-op. There's a lot of companies that actually visit UWindsor and scout students for future jobs. But I think what really sold computer science to me was the opportunities I would get post-graduation. With computer science undergrad, I was able to get a lot of opportunities in the job market, and I think it's a very popular field right now. One of the moments that really excited me in my program was when I got to work with a group to build a software. This was my first time working in a group environment instead of coding alone, and it was really nice to split tasks and come together to build a big software. So one hands-on experience I had was in my networking class. In that class, we actually got to go into the current Wi-Fi network at the school and capture information that's flowing through the network using a software. And that's one thing I really like about UWindsor, because it doesn't just prepare you theoretically. I can use these skills once I hit the job market and go into actual networks. Thrive at UWindsor.